shit.
Ah, that
I
was in
can't
it.
see it either.
Get the power to it.
There you go, man. Now you can see it. Right in the ground.
Nice.
Whoa! That was perfect.
Keep going on the runway. Very. That was good.
All I saw
can't
was a
believe you
green
got it
dot
out of the sun like
landing.
that.
I lost it for 3 full seconds in the
See a
sun.
damn thing.
Lucky you're alive here, guys.
If Greg was here, he could see right smack in the center of the goddamn.
And cut.
Thing up!
No!
No! Don't land on the grass, man.
Land it in the tree. It's worked out for Greg a bunch of times, man.
Don't land on the grass, man. That's no fun.
I would say just don't land.
Just
That's
keep
a
it
nice
up there.
little speed
Oh, there
to
you go.
land it at.
You think so? You think the asshole's been in the grass? No, I'm doing grass.
They got Rick coming through.
Yeah.
No, because you're gonna tear that fuse up, man.
Yeah.
Sit, sit.
Let it bleed off the feet.
Sit, Ubu.
There. Nice.
God.
Run it up for no reason.
Damn it!
Here comes the walk of shame.